How we doing, guys? Let's go over Polkadot. So we're gonna take a look at today to see, is Polkadot just gonna keep crashing down here maybe to $10, or are we actually gonna start seeing a bounce here? So I have some things I want to show you guys. We're gonna be going over the metrics today as well, the emotional index, long versus short trades, market cap strength, trades in favor, well institutional smart money, support resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, exit points, and then actually show you guys how to get into a trade to trade with us. So we're going to dive in here. We're currently sitting at 109 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade, and I'll show you guys in the second half of this video how to trade with us if you would like. All right, guys, let's dive in. So what I'm currently looking at for DOT, this is pretty standard here. We're looking at the trend dashboard here. What are all the retail trader indicators looking like this morning? Most of them are bearish. So a lot of retail traders, waking up this morning, Pacific, East Coast, and they're looking, the trend's going down. We broke downwards from the symmetrical triangle pattern that we had here, and this is definitely a bearish sign. But what we're seeing right now is we're actually getting very close to this support, which could act as a very nice bounce for us back up here. Let's take a look at the price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion here. This is actually showing us what's happening as far as money flowing into or out of DOT on a bit of Binance here. Let me actually change this here just for 1 second. I'll move this over here so we can actually see what chart this is on. I'll come over here and I'll put this on for us. So if we go to the scales, let's go over here and look at the symbol name. Let's go. I'm sorry. My apologies, guys. Let me turn this on over here under symbol. Okay. This will give you guys a better idea of what the actual chart is that we're looking at. So we're looking at DOT Tether on Binance, and we do trade this on Coinbase. I'm actually in this trade with a lot of you guys. Our break-even's 31.01. Okay. So trend exhaustion, this basically is looking at the pattern of the overall market and saying, you know what, when we get to the bottom sections here, this is where we're looking for bounces back up in the market and to kind of see reversal starting to take place. We saw over here when we did reach that bottom red section, this is where we started to see a little bit of a move back up. The moment we reach the top red zone here, this is actually when we start to see a nice fast drop on DOT. Now, you guys have known I've said this in the past, if you guys are watching these videos, that when the trend exhaustion is in the top red section, as well as when the price versus while money flow is really high here, we are looking for moves back down in the market. Sorry, I'd have a dishwasher running in the back there. Apologies, guys. When this is high here, that's when we're looking for moves back down. Now, when we saw this over here, trend exhaustion was very high, as well as the trend exhaustion high over here as well. What did you guys observe up here? Well, money flow is very high. This shows me that whales are actually looking to switch their positions from long trades and actually either go short or sell their positions. So when you get a strong descending resistance, as well as when the trend exhaustion and well money flow are high, guys, we don't personally short on this channel. We just take long trades, but those are really good places to take shorts and make a lot of really good money. Now, bringing this to the forefront, and we'll go over the metrics here, I do think that we could start seeing this move up here now that we're at the bottom section. Because I don't know if you guys are observing this at all, but I'm seeing this on the chart this morning. Do you guys see that price action is actually heading down and well money flow is actually heading into the market here, showing that there's actually buying going on? This tells me that we could start seeing a move back up here very soon. So this overall to me actually looks very bullish. So I'd be watching for a bounce here at $16 because the next place I'm looking for to probably hit by Friday is going to be this $20 mark, because that's simply just at the basically ascending resistance that we could hit by Friday for $20. That's what I'm looking for. Either that or we start breaking back down here, but then we actually start targeting the whole number of $10. So it's either a $10 or a $20 move. If I had to make a conclusion here based off the indicators here, I would say we're looking at more like hitting $20 by this coming Friday than we are $10. Let's take a look at the metrics over here. All right. Show you guys this real quick. To access all of our trade setups, to trade with me in the Telegram channel, to take all of our trades, access all the metrics as well, you guys can just snag a membership today. It's only $49 a month. We're going to up this to $95 a month starting February 25th, which you guys have 3 days left. So you guys just know about this. It's in the description of the video, as well as I pinned it to the first comment of the YouTube channel. So you'll get access to all this, guys, as well as the inner circle and the master classes that we've come out with. So I just want to let you guys know how to access all this data so you guys can become better traders. Let's come down here and go to Polkadot. And let's dive in. The emotional index chart has been updated this morning, so this is fresh data that we're looking at here on the daily time frame. We are seeing that this is pushed down into the anxious section. We got close to fearful, but overall the market, as far as an emotional perspective goes, is in an anxious/fearful stage here. We could be pushing down even further. I want you guys to observe this. As we pushed down into the fearful section, what did you guys see happen with the overall price? We ended up bottoming out and actually moving back up. This is another reason why I do think we can start seeing another pump back up here in DOT. The previous time when we got down here, we touched very closely into this anxious section. We actually saw the market reverse here. Now, this was the only time when we saw this market not take any reversals back up, and we just basically hit an emotional capitulation stage, and the market just sold off and sold off and sold off. But it has held very true here that in the past, when we dip down to these areas, we are seeing market reversals back up. So point being, more times than not, we are actually looking for a move back up when the market is anxious. So this is a bullish sign, so you guys know. Take a look at this. Long versus short trades over here on Bitfinex. A bullish sign that I'm seeing as well, a lot of bullish signs today, is short trades are actually dropping out of the market, and long trades are pretty much staying steady here that you guys can see right there, okay? This shows me that as the price is going down, people are obviously taking their shorts out because they don't think it's going to go down any further. Now, shorts, if you guys can see this over here, actually increased around this area where we saw this pump back up here. So short traders look to take shorts right there. Guess what, guys? Our indicators perfectly called this. Trend exhaustion, top red section, well money flow up high here, looking for that move back down. Great job for those of you guys who ended up shorting that with our indicators. You could also see this over here. They increased and then decreased. This is a bullish sign. Let's take a look now at the market cap strength of DOT. All right. As long as we can see that the green line, which is the overall percentage of market cap that DOT holds comparative to the rest of the market, as long as this is following the price structure, we're good. We're good. We don't want to see price starting to move up here and then market cap moving out. It means that overall the price is going up. Yes, that's awesome. But it means interest is moving out of that coin and money's being placed other places. This is what's called divergence. And if you watch the Bitcoin videos we've done, you will see how that's been a precursor. And we've actually predicted the last 4 or 5 market cycles, bear markets and bull markets, with looking at the market cap strength. Very powerful metrics you guys can access here. Trades in favor. Let's take a look at this. Sitting down in here into a good long trade area. This is pushing us down here. Guys, this is a great time to get a long trade set up. I'll show you guys how to do that with very, very good risk management. Previous time we got down here, we ended up seeing the market bottoming out. We moved back up, and that's where you guys were able to make some money on that trade there. So good job. We are still holding at 31.01, just so you guys know. So that's where we're currently holding this trade, and I'm in here with you guys. Okay, well, in institutional smart money, let's take a look at this. We're seeing that overall, we're seeing majority accumulation of long trades over here looking to buy the dip. Now, the last time this happened over here, this came out very strongly saying, hey, the dip is taking place. Retail traders are actually very anxious and fearful, but we're starting to see Wells institutions and smart money who loves to buy the dip starting to purchase down here. This is where I personally put in $49,000, and we ended up riding this back up here. Now, DOT is very close to being where we currently were at. So if we drop down from here, it is going to be kind of a push down pretty far. Again, looking at this down here, the next greatest structural support, as mentioned in the beginning of the video, is $10. So if $10 gets hit, you may want to crack open that piggy bank and put some more money in the market, because that's going to be one heck of a steal as far as cryptocurrency goes. Support and resistance prices, $10, we're looking at that. As far as resistance, I'm looking at this area of about $18. That's the next place I'm really looking for us to, kind of test and then start moving back up. Now, with that said, $18 is right about here. I think an easy target for us is basically this descending resistance line. Let's pull this out here so we can see where that places up us, and then also looking at this. So we have a little bit of a cross. This cross happens right up here, very close to the $20 mark. I do think we can push up to about $20 here by Friday, and that's where the next target's going to be for a move back up. If you guys are scalping this, and my scalpers out there who have the trend exhaustion, you guys are getting into trades right now. Literally as we speak, as you guys are watching this video, you're getting into trades, and you're looking to scalp this up here, and I would look to take some profits before you get to $20. Let me give you guys a prediction of how much money you'll make on that. So let me just pull this out here real quick. Let's take out the price range tool if you guys get in right now. Like I said, you guys are looking to scalp for 3 to 4%. That's almost a 20% move. Almost a 20% move. If you guys can't scalp, at least 4 or 5% out of that, I don't know. I'm joking with you, but seriously, that's not a bad place to get in at all. Let me show you guys how to get into a really good trade setup here to use risk management with that scalping positions. Let me show that to you guys. Let's get this here, just clean it up just a little bit. All right. Dollar cost average entries, an incredible entry you guys are able to get over here. This is basically calling an entry before we start seeing the market head back up. It may head down, that's true, but overall, even looking at this formation over here where it's a descending triangle pattern, this is a pattern here that usually ends up breaking to the upside very fast. So guys, I've seen some videos coming out saying, Bitcoin looks like it can tank even further. You know what? If Bitcoin tanks, we may actually enter into an altcoin season, which is reverse from what a lot of people are saying, that the crypto winter is coming. If crypto winter comes anymore on any of these altcoins, there's going to be nothing left. So could there actually be a bull run in altcoins if Bitcoin drops? We could possibly see that. That's why we're going to watch the market cap move back and forth there. Okay, exit points. We'll get into the trade setup here. Showing you guys this. This is a great place to look for exits when you get price movement back up. So once we get movements back up, for those of you guys scalping today with our indicators, I want you guys to watch for the trend exhaustion to push back to the top red section and well money flow to be high. When this happens, you guys are going to want to look to take some profit out on this trade. Literally, if you guys put money in right now and you guys wait for the trend exhaustion to push back up here, I wouldn't doubt if you guys could secure about 5 to 10% profit and just make 5 to 10% right now using these indicators. They're in the description. And then use our metrics to actually watch for some exits that you guys can call, okay? Now, the trade setup for today, I want to keep this private for our members, but let me show you guys how to enter into this because it's going to be the exact same principles we use for Bitcoin. So go to Trade Metrics and Setups, scroll down to Bitcoin Charts, and then I'll show this to you guys. You just scroll all the way down to the bottom and you guys see it right here. Okay, so let's pretend this is DOT or any of the coins that we have trading here. What you guys are going to do is choose the amount that you want to enter each of our coins with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $250, $250, $250, $250, $250, okay? Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limits. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit at the green line. So for Bitcoin, we moved this down this morning to 44,772, but you guys are going to see that exact sell limit on DOT. I think I put it closer to this area, this structure high here. I'm telling you guys, if you want to get in with this, I think the first little target you need to be watching for is $20, which happens to be about, like we calculated earlier, about 20% that you guys are going to be looking to take on this. So let's get this price range tool out here. From this current moment up to about $20, you guys can see, look it over here where it says 2019. That's about 20 to 23% you guys can be taking. So that's not a bad entry there if you guys want to go ahead and snag that to make some money. I'm already in this trade, so as it goes up, I'll be making money in my account. So I'm going to be experiencing that anyways. So 150,000 is break even. We still have a super healthy account over here. I know a lot of people are down, 60 to 65%. We actually have proof of people being down, not who are trading with us, but people in the general market because of how much the market has crashed. But if you guys are trading with us, we use dollar cost average entries here, like I explained, where you guys are going to split your money up to basically give you guys insurance on your trade in case the market crashes even further. So last thing you guys want to do here, 2 things is just getting into the Telegram channel. This is where I'll be calling all the exits for you guys. Every trade we exit, all the trades we've won, we keep track of everything in the Telegram channel, timestamps on everything. When I get into a new trade, if you guys want to take that, I'll call it out in Telegram for you. It's just really simple. Honestly, once you guys have your membership, get into Telegram, just follow me, and I'll give you guys updates when videos come out, when I'm entering trades, when I'm exiting trades. You can just copy us. We've never lost a crypto trade ever, and I think it's gonna be pretty hard to lose one because of where the market's at. Last but not least, guys, let's take a look at the indicators real quick. You guys, the trend dashboard, the price for swell money flow, and trend exhaustion, these 3 indicators we're using. If you guys, my scalpers out there, if you want to watch this, literally, you'll probably make about a pretty easy 5 to 10% move up here. We get back up to the top red section here. You guys get the bundle pack. It's currently 82% off. This is going to be a sale we have going on today. You guys want to get these 3 down here. The price for swell money flow, trend dashboard, trend exhaustion. These are 3 you have in my charts every day. If you do decide to opt for the bundle pack, which is a really good deal today, you guys will actually get all 9 of our indicators, and you'll get 82% off each of the indicators. So it's pretty ridiculous because right now you guys can go ahead and get these 3. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. You'll get about 40%. Get the bundle pack, guys. You'll get 42% off on top of it, which you'll get a total of 82%. You guys get these indicators for life. It's not a monthly subscription, just a lifetime purchase. And you'll also get the source code so nobody can take them away from you. And you guys have a video of how to upload that once you purchase. If you guys have any questions about anything, indicators whatsoever, please email us. Like we're literally standing by right now. Myself, Josh, and Jake. betradeconfident@gmail.com. betradeconfident@gmail.com if you have any questions, guys. All right, that's all I've got for you guys. Make sure you guys are coming over here if you guys want to join us. Sign up. $49 a month. Get this today because this Friday, in 3 days, we're going to be upping this to $95 a month, February 25th. So if you guys want to come join us, I think you will have absolutely a blast for the rest of this year. And I look forward to meeting you guys. We're going to be doing actually an inner circle hangout session on March 10th. So mark your guys' calendars for this. We'll send out a Telegram notification for the Zoom link. You guys can join us on Zoom. We're just going to hang out. It's going to be really casual, talk about the market, do like an open Q&A session, and just hang out for about an hour. And it'll be fun to just get together and talk to everybody. So we're going to be doing that, and I'll record it in case you miss it. We'll put it down below here so you guys can see that. All right, guys, Have a blast. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Overall, for DOT, I do believe we could start seeing moves back up here. We have strong support. We also have some metrics in the market looking like we're going to see a little bit of a turnaround. So let's watch that move back to $20. And those of you guys who get into trades today, you could be experiencing about a 20% gain here by Friday. So make sure you get the indicators, set those up, get our membership, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Everything you need is in the description, and I pinned it to the first comment of this YouTube video. All right, we'll see you guys later. Get everything you need in the description below. Bye, guys.